In this video, we'll explore how to perform powerful lookups using the lambda and index functions available in Office 365. Let's dive into our example. We have a table with fruits listed in column A and their corresponding prices in column B. We'll be using the lambda function along with index to perform our lookup. Here's the formula we'll be using. This formula defines a lambda function that takes a lookup value as an argument and returns the corresponding price from column B based on a match with column A. Now, let's see it in action. We'll pass apples as the lookup value. Type the formula. Type equal to type lambda bracket open type lookup value type comma type index bracket open select price range type comma type match bracket open type lookup value type comma select fruits range type comma type 0 bracket close 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 bracket open inverted comma start type apples inverted comma close bracket close press enter key and there you have it. The formula returns the price of apples, which is $10. With this technique, you can perform complex lookups efficiently, especially when dealing with large datasets. That's all for this tutorial on advanced Excel lookup techniques using lambda and index functions. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials.